So tell me your opinion on this. I live out in the country in Texas, and I actually live on a piece of land that I believe is about 60 acres. So it has lots of plants, lots of wildlife, and multiple water sources. About 2 years ago, I had no intention of raising bees. That thought actually never even crossed my mind. But over the past few months, I've been thinking maybe. And very recently, over the past month or so, I've decided, yes, I am definitely going to raise bees. And at first, I was thinking maybe just a few, like a little handful of bee colonies so that I could supply my family and have some overflow, but nothing crazy. And now I'm thinking I'm having a very special opportunity that most people do not have. Most people do not live in rural areas. And even those people don't have all the agriculture around them that I do. Now I'm thinking, since I actually have a very special opportunity to do these things and very good circumstances for it, I almost feel like it's kind of my duty almost to raise a lot of bees or support the pollinators, otherwise different things like that, because I have the ability to, and the world needs more bees and pollinators and different things, and that would increase my workload a little, but honestly, not that much, I don't think. So, what do y'all think?